For the short arm pins, you might get into a little trouble in selecting the right parts, getting the pin to be exactly what you want, but don't get frustrated. Just keep clicking on different portions. You'll eventually get what you want. So for example here, we want to highlight not the whole circle, but the circle with a little slice there missing, right? With a D-shaped slice missing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that part, but you see the whole circle gets highlighted, and it doesn't even include the middle part, which I want to be included in this. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click on this line right here. So right now the same thing keeps happening over and over again. You see, you just gotta keep on trying. See, right now I was clicking on the line along the D portion of that circle, and I got what I needed. Okay, so you just gotta keep on playing with it. Don't get frustrated. Just keep trying it. And again, don't forget, I need to make sure that this is not added. As you see there, both of those extrusions are the same color as the arm. I don't want them to be the same color. I want them to be different parts because I have to rename them. So I'm going to click on new. Then I'm going to make sure that my end type is not blind, but that my end type is up to face. And I'm going to highlight the no entry selected, and I'm going to click mid plane on the, you can just click on the menu mid plane and it'll automatically select that, or you can actually click on the screen on the mid plane. Either way works. So now you see my pins are extruded where they need to be extruded. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename my parts. And as you can see, I have long pin, short pin, end hinge, threaded hinge. The way I'm gonna do that again is I'm going to go to my lower left menu. Where it says part 3, I'm gonna click the eye to see which one that is. And that's going to be my long pin. So I'm going to click on the 3 little dots over here, and I'm going to click rename. Now I'm going to write long pin. Again, for part 4, I'm going to click the eye. Okay, I see that that's my threaded pin. Hip threaded hinge. I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to say threaded hinge. Oh, let me put a space in there. Part 5, again, that's going to be my short pin, rename, short pin, and you're going to do the same thing for the end hinge, and we're good to go.